Welcome to ReneEnergy.com on YouTube, the hub for all things renewable energy and sustainability. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the latest innovations and insights in green energy, including cutting-edge developments like green hydrogen. Whether you're a sustainability veteran or just beginning your journey, we have something for everyone. Join us on this channel to explore inspiring projects for a sustainable tomorrow. We bring you the latest in renewable energy, sustainability, and cutting-edge technologies. And don't forget, for more in-depth information and resources, visit our website and subscribe to our newsletter for the latest updates and exclusive content. Hydrogen stands at the forefront of clean energy sources, holding immense potential to revolutionize the transportation sector with its promise of zero emissions. Unlike conventional fossil fuels, hydrogen, when used in fuel cells, produces electricity through a chemical reaction rather than combustion, emitting only water vapor and heat as byproducts. This characteristic positions hydrogen as a pivotal player in the shift towards sustainable and environmentally friendly transportation solutions. The appeal of hydrogen as an alternative fuel lies in its versatility and the various methods through which it can be produced, including electrolysis powered by renewable energy sources. This process ensures that the hydrogen fuel itself can be created in a way that minimizes the carbon footprint, enhancing the sustainability of its use across transportation and other sectors. Importance: hydrogen refueling stations are critical to the adoption and widespread use of hydrogen-powered vehicles, such as fuel cell electric vehicles, FCEVs. These stations provide the necessary infrastructure for refueling hydrogen vehicles, similar to conventional gas stations but with a focus on this clean energy resource. The availability of refueling stations is a key factor in the viability of FCEVs for personal and commercial use, directly influencing consumer and business decisions regarding the transition to hydrogen-powered transportation. By enabling the refueling of FCEVs, these stations play a significant role in decarbonizing the transportation sector, one of the major contributors to global greenhouse gas emissions. The expansion of hydrogen refueling infrastructure supports the growth of a hydrogen economy, encouraging the development of hydrogen-powered buses, trucks, and even maritime and aviation applications, further broadening the impact of hydrogen on reducing carbon emissions globally. In summary, hydrogen refueling stations are not just physical structures but are emblematic of a future where clean, sustainable transportation is the norm. They are essential in the transition towards a decarbonized transportation sector, supporting the adoption of hydrogen-powered vehicles and contributing to the global efforts to combat climate change. Market growth and projections for hydrogen refueling stations. Current market size. As of 2023, the global market for hydrogen refueling stations has reached a significant valuation of $5.9 billion, underscoring the rapid development and deployment of this crucial infrastructure for hydrogen mobility. This figure represents the growing recognition of hydrogen fuel as a key component in achieving a sustainable and decarbonized transportation network. The market size reflects investments across various regions and the commitment of both public and private sectors to establish a comprehensive network of refueling stations, facilitating the adoption of hydrogen-powered vehicles. Future projections. The future of the hydrogen refueling station market looks exceptionally promising, with projections indicating a robust compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of over 17.5% from 2024 to 2032. This anticipated growth is indicative of the expected expansion of the hydrogen economy and the increasing demand for hydrogen fuel as a clean energy solution. The substantial CAGR points towards a rapidly evolving market landscape, where advancements in technology, increased financial backing, and supportive government policies converge to enhance the infrastructure for hydrogen fuel cell vehicles, FCEVs. This projected growth is not just a testament to the potential of hydrogen to contribute to zero-emission transportation but also signals the readiness of industries and governments worldwide to invest in the clean energy transition. The expansion of the hydrogen refueling infrastructure is critical in supporting the wide-scale adoption of FCEVs, reducing reliance on fossil fuels, and moving towards a more sustainable future. As the market for hydrogen refueling stations expands, it is expected to unlock new opportunities for innovation, drive down costs through economies of scale, and enhance the viability of hydrogen as a mainstream fuel choice for transportation. This growth trajectory underscores the importance of continued investment and innovation in the sector, ensuring that the infrastructure keeps pace with the rising demand for clean, sustainable mobility solutions. Technological advancements and station types in hydrogen refueling. Technologies. The hydrogen refueling sector has witnessed considerable technological advancements, aimed at enhancing efficiency, safety, and accessibility. One of the key developments is the optimization of hydrogen storage and dispensing technologies. Innovations include high-pressure storage systems that allow for quicker refueling times, comparable to traditional gasoline or diesel fueling experiences. Additionally, advancements in electrolysis and reforming technologies have improved the efficiency of hydrogen production, making refueling stations more sustainable and cost-effective. Another significant technological leap is in the integration of renewable energy sources directly into hydrogen refueling stations. This approach not only reduces the carbon footprint of the hydrogen production process but also aligns with the broader goals of creating a fully sustainable transport ecosystem. Smart technologies and IoT integration further enhance the operation of these stations, enabling remote monitoring, predictive maintenance, and optimized energy management. Station types. Hydrogen refueling stations vary in size and type to accommodate different needs and applications, categorized mainly into small, mid-size, and large stations. Small stations, designed for limited use or in areas with lower vehicle traffic, small stations are cost-effective and require less space. They are ideal for pilot projects or serving specific fleets such as local buses or delivery vehicles. Mid-size stations. These stations strike a balance between capacity and cost, serving a broader range of vehicles without the extensive infrastructure of large stations. They are suitable for urban areas or regions beginning to adopt hydrogen transportation. Large stations. With the highest capacity, large stations can serve high volumes of vehicles, making them essential for busy urban centers or highways. They support a wide array of vehicles, from passenger cars to commercial fleets, ensuring rapid refueling and maximum accessibility. The emergence of mobile hydrogen refueling stations represents a flexible and innovative solution to the infrastructure challenge. These stations can be deployed temporarily or moved based on demand, providing an immediate refueling option for areas without fixed infrastructure or serving as a bridge while permanent stations are being developed. Mobile stations offer significant advantages in terms of scalability and the ability to adapt to evolving hydrogen mobility needs. In summary, the diverse array of hydrogen refueling station types, coupled with ongoing technological advancements, is crucial for supporting the rollout of hydrogen-powered transportation. These developments not only cater to current demand but are also scalable and adaptable, ensuring they can meet future needs as the adoption of hydrogen fuel cell vehicles continues to grow. Regional developments and key players in hydrogen refueling. Asia-Pacific market. The Asia-Pacific region is poised to play a pivotal role in the global hydrogen economy, with projections suggesting the market value for hydrogen refueling stations will exceed $16.8 billion by 2032. This impressive growth trajectory is largely attributed to the region's proactive initiatives aimed at reducing carbon emissions and promoting hydrogen as a clean and sustainable energy source. Countries such as Japan, South Korea, and China are at the forefront of these efforts, implementing comprehensive strategies that encompass government support, policy incentives, and substantial investments in hydrogen infrastructure. The commitment of the Asia-Pacific region to embrace hydrogen technology reflects its broader goals of achieving energy sustainability, enhancing energy security, and meeting international climate targets. The strategic positioning of hydrogen within these goals highlights the region's recognition of its potential to significantly contribute to a decarbonized energy future. Industry leaders. Several key industry players have emerged as leaders in the development and deployment of hydrogen refueling infrastructure, each contributing through significant investments and technological innovations. Air Liquide, a global leader in gases, technologies, and services for industry and health, Air Liquide has been instrumental in advancing hydrogen fuel infrastructure, offering solutions that span production, storage, and distribution of hydrogen for various applications, including mobility. Air Products, specializing in industrial gases, Air Products has made significant strides in hydrogen production and refueling technology. The company has been a part of numerous projects around the world, aiming to build a sustainable hydrogen ecosystem. Linde plc. Linde is a leading global industrial gases and engineering company, with a strong focus on clean hydrogen energy solutions. It has been actively involved in the development of hydrogen refueling stations, leveraging its expertise in gas processing technologies to enhance efficiency and accessibility. Nel ASA, a dedicated hydrogen company, Nel ASA specializes in delivering solutions for the production, storage, and distribution of hydrogen from renewable energy sources. The company's innovative approach to electrolysis and fueling technology plays a crucial role in the expanding hydrogen infrastructure. These companies, among others, are driving the hydrogen revolution by investing in research and development, forming strategic partnerships, and pioneering projects that demonstrate the viability and benefits of hydrogen as a key energy carrier for the future. Their efforts are not only advancing the hydrogen refueling station market but also laying the groundwork for a comprehensive, global hydrogen economy. Innovations and future outlook in the hydrogen refueling station market. Innovative projects. Among the groundbreaking projects that signify the market's adaptability and visionary trajectory is Hyperion Motors' Hyperfuel mobile station. This innovation is particularly notable for its dual capacity to service both hydrogen fuel cell and battery electric vehicles. The Hyperfuel mobile station exemplifies the industry's agility, catering to the evolving needs of clean transportation. By offering a versatile refueling solution, Hyperion Motors addresses a significant challenge in the clean energy transition: the infrastructure gap. Projects like this not only demonstrate the technical feasibility of mobile hydrogen refueling but also highlight the potential for innovative approaches to accelerate the adoption of clean vehicles. Conclusion. Looking ahead, the hydrogen refueling station market is poised to play a crucial role in the global clean energy transition. The optimism surrounding this market is grounded in the ongoing advancements in technology, the increasing volume of investments, and the collaborative efforts among various stakeholders. These elements are essential for expanding the hydrogen infrastructure, making hydrogen a viable and sustainable energy option for transportation and beyond. The future of hydrogen energy is bright, with the potential to significantly reduce global carbon emissions and drive the transition to a more sustainable energy landscape. Continued innovation, investment, and collaboration among industry leaders, governments, and communities will be key to realizing this potential. As we move forward, the hydrogen refueling station market will undoubtedly continue to evolve, bringing us closer to a decarbonized, hydrogen-powered future. The collective efforts of all stakeholders in this ecosystem are crucial for overcoming challenges and capitalizing on opportunities that lie ahead in the hydrogen economy. In essence, the hydrogen refueling station market is at the forefront of the energy transition, offering promising solutions for clean transportation. By embracing innovation and fostering partnerships, the market is set to expand its reach and impact, contributing significantly to the global pursuit of a sustainable and low-carbon future. Thanks for tuning into the ReneEnergy.com YouTube channel. We trust you found this episode enlightening and motivating. There's a world of innovation and opportunity in sustainable energy, and we're delighted to share this journey with you. Stay in the loop with the latest on renewable energy and sustainability by visiting our website and subscribing to our newsletter. Your support is immensely appreciated, it's truly invaluable to us. Don't miss our next video on new trends in renewable energy. Follow us on social media for the latest updates. Enjoyed the video? Like, subscribe, and share for more green insights. Thanks for watching.